everyone, welcome back to my channel. The channel's name is Glamour Has No Age, and if you're new here, my name is Michelle. Been MIA for a little bit, and I apologize. I do work a full-time job. This is currently just a hobby for me, so my full-time job takes precedence. Alright, so today I am using Too Faced Appley in Love. I'm gonna use my paint pot, if I can find it. It's right here. This is in Painterly. Gonna use this Angie Hot and Flashy A506. I just put down a thin layer. And then I'll take a little bit of this powder from Makeup by Mario and just dust over it. I am gonna stick to the pinks. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my Rougher number 15 Max. I'm gonna go into Bite Me and pick up some of that powder. Oh, that's very pigmented. So far, so good. The mattes are nice. They perform well. Then I'm going to take this brush, the N13 from Nikki LaRose, and I'm going to go into, oh, this is cute, So Snackable. It's this one right here, the red. I'm patting because it seems to put down the color better that way. Now, I'm not a makeup artist, just so that you know. But it does look pretty. Then I'm gonna go into Bite Me. Oh, interesting. Interesting. And now I'm gonna go into Turnover, which is this more glittery, Sweetie Pie, which is this more glittery. I'm gonna try to take Bite Me and put it on the edge and see what that looks like. Not bad. I kind of like it. Kind of like that. And then I have a gel eyeliner. Let's see what color it is. Brown. And then I should have a smudger. I'll use this. I'll use this little rougher 02 mini. I'm not brave enough to do the top. I'll have to just do the bottom for now. I'll practice that off camera. Use my mascara. Actually, no. I have the Keys Soul Care. It's like Skin 2-in-1 concealer tint. I'm going to try that on. So far, it's a perfect color match. I'm going to try to use it as concealer now. That's nice. You can, by the way, use foundation as concealer. You can. I've heard several makeup artists say that. And it works beautifully. I'm going to try this pink powder from Ofra. It is rather pink. I don't mind a pink under eye. It's just, I like when it's a subtle pink. I don't know if you can tell over on this eye. It's very pink. All right, for blush. I'm using the Say Flirty, this hot pink. Not bad, I like that. Now I am gonna use the Rose Glow Say highlighter. It's a very natural looking highlighter. I like it. Gives off more glow. I'm going to put on some mascara and then we'll choose a lip. I'm going to use Blaze Donut from the Fenty Beauty. And that's it. That's my final look. I enjoyed the palette. I did something that, and I also did something that I never normally do on camera, is put on eyeliner because I'm not that good at it. But I do like the look. I just used the pinks in this palette. So I'm curious as to how the other palettes do. Other shadows do, you know? Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.